Hey, welcome back to another episode of Life After Divorce. I am your host, Chris. Today, actually on episode 12, obviously you can tell we are in my kitchen, and I've had a lot of questions in regards to recipes and things that you can do when you're not like Chef Boyardee. So one of the things that I like to make for both my kids and for myself is a 5-ingredient, they're actually protein peanut butter balls. And so we're gonna give that a shot today. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but stepping completely out of my comfort zone, let's try to do a little recipe, and I'll do my best Bobby Flay impression, I guess. So like I said, from the 5 ingredients we are dealing with semi-sweet chocolate chips. I actually found out as I've practiced and messed with these that the minis are actually better, I think, than the regular sized chocolate chips for this recipe. Honey, creamy peanut butter, flaxseed, and finally Quaker oats. So those are your 5 ingredients that you're gonna need. I've got my peanut butter already ready to go. So I have 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. I have a 1/2 cup of the chocolate chips. The honey is 2 tablespoons. Get that out here. Again, these are not going to be precise, exact measurements. I told you I was going to imitate Bobby Flay. I didn't say I was going to be Bobby Flay today. Then on our flaxseed, I've got that measured out. We've got a 1/2 cup of flaxseed here. Mix in, and then the same with the oats. Now the oats, I actually use old-fashioned oats. I actually don't use minute oats for this recipe. I actually think it turns out better. So once you get all this together, we're actually just going to mix this up. And yes, it's going to be a dry texture, and that's fine. Before you make these into whatever shape you're wanting, I make these for mine into decent sized balls. Those, again, they're protein bites, but you can actually add a little bit of water to this before you mix it all up, or before you actually roll it out and make your balls with it. So we'll just mix it up here, and we'll refrigerate this for 20 minutes when we're done. So whenever you start to make your bites, just grab a little bit, wad it up in your hand like so. And that's really all there is to it, guys. There's not much to these. You just decide how big the bites need to be as far as what suits your fancy, and there you go. So the water actually does help them stick together, so I definitely encourage just a little bit of water, maybe 2 teaspoons. Not much. Doesn't take a lot of water. Maybe 1 tablespoon max. And there you have it. There's our peanut butter bites. Makes around 14 or 15 of them. If you cover them and put them in the fridge, they will last up to 2 weeks. But if you're anything like around my house, they don't last more than just a few days. So I eat a couple of these every morning or every couple of mornings for breakfast. And like I said, peanut butter energy bites. I don't know whether the energy is there or not, but I enjoy them, as do my kids. So good luck to you. And until next time, have yourself a blessed day and a joy-filled life. Take care.